for the previous video regarding this GitHub account, there are a lot of responses came, so I just want to make one more video with a lot of answered queries answered for few questions. So first of all, you need to install go to Gmail and you need to log into your email ID, so that which is your personal ID or your working email ID like industries, and you just sign in and then go to Google and just type GitHub account. So just type the GitHub in Google, then you can able to see the first link github.com. so that's the website where you want to create your account. So and also so you can see that I have get into the GitHub account and also checking whether I have signed into my email ID. So why I'm doing this means during the account creation they will be sending an email verification. So after that, when you get into this github.com, you can see that in the sender part they are asking you to sign up. So sign up is basically to start creating an account, and sign in is once you created the account, sign in will be like you can log into your account. Okay, so the first option is sign up account. So you can see there is a blank space over there. There you can able to give your email ID. So the same email ID what you sign in Gmail, if you wanted to create using that Gmail account, then you can give that Gmail ID. Okay, you can see that here I have given the email ID of my account. Either you can copy paste or you can type it here just like this, and after that you can click on this sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, this page will redirect you to the next page. Okay, so once you go to the next page, it will show you the email ID what you've given over there to create the account, and it will ask you to create the password. So since this GitHub is one of the best worldwide used website, the security is also concerned. So here they are giving you few instructions, like the number of characters for the password will be minimum 8 to 15, so you can give more than 8, and it should contain characters as well as your numbers. Okay, and at least one character should be in uppercase and lowercase. So basically so that's the combination. So the password contains number, the password contains character, that in a sense your alphabets, and it contains, maybe you can add one special character just like at the rate or something, and one character should be, at least one character should be uppercase and remaining can be lowercase, or vice versa. So once you meet all the criteria, you can see that if the criteria is not met, it will show like password can be maybe compromised. That means your password is not strong. So once you met the criteria of these conditions, like one uppercase and remaining lowercase, or all all uppercase and one lowercase, and contain some numbers and also some special characters. Once the password met those criteria and minimum of 8 characters, then it will changes to green, password is strong. So that point of time you can able to click on continue. Okay, so and always remember the password, there is an option I button is there. When you click on that, you can see the password what you type over there, so you can keep make a note of that, and that will be your password. And after that you can click on continue. So once click on continue, it will ask you to enter your username, because the username is also used to sign in into your account or login into your account. Either you can use your email ID or you can use your username. So you can give your name or whatever username you wanted to give, you can give it. And after that it will ask you to confirm. You need to you verify the email ID, then your password and your username, then you plus yes. For this you need to type Y, and you need to click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking you to start a puzzle for verification. So it will ask you to pick up some spiral pattern. You need to, from those 6 images, you need to identify the proper images. So there will be 3 questions will be asking. depends upon person to person, it will vary. For me it is identifying the spiral. So I just completed all the three quizzes, so it is verifying whether it is a human or not. And after that you need to click on create account. So you need to click on create account. So once you click on create account, it will ask, it will send it will send an OTP to your corresponding mobile number or the corresponding email ID, basically email ID, because email ID only given. So once you given to that, and the OTP will be coming to your email ID, so let's copy that email ID, copy that OTP, and then after that you need to give, the account is created for you alone. If it is a company purpose, then you need to give to multiple how many teams you have and all. And after that it is showing some kind of features. You just go through it. If you are using this for a business kind of or a company kind of account, you can choose the required number of services or not. Otherwise you can simply click on continue, because since it is a personal account, you can simply click on continue. That's it. Okay, so click on continue. Once you click on continue, it is asking two services. One is paid services. If you go for paid services, you need to click on that and you need to do some payments. And for that, for our individual account, you can click on free accounts. And now it is redirected to your official GitHub account. You can see in the top right corner, you can see sign in as your username and your profile, your repositories, your project repositories. All this stuff can be visible over here. This is the official page, and you can see that now for the namesake you have a normal profile pic. You can click on that and you can change it. You can go to projects, you can go to packages. So all those areas, maybe you will be aware that you can create your own repositories, store data, you can share with your communities. So all these are possible, and overview of your dashboard, all those stuff. And you can see this URL, so www.github.com/your username. So this is your URL. When you are going to add this to your resume or somewhere, you can share that URL. So I'm going to open another one browser and I'm going to search that particular URL, that is your GitHub ID. Okay, so I just going to search it. So it's a URL, so you need to type in the URL itself and just press enter. Okay, you can see this is the official GitHub account page for my ID. Okay, so this is thing, because it's a blank account, I didn't have any much information, so you can able to fill up your profile details and all, and they can able to show and share your GitHub account to your community. And to change your profile pic, you can click over here in the green color, that particular image. You can choose your photos, and you can rename your profile name and your email ID that you need to show to the public, your company, your website address, your locations, everything you can update it later. So the account creation process is this much, and then you can able to explore the remaining stuffs, and you can keep on updating the project, what you done and the activity you are currently doing, and the kind of post or the kind of data you wanted to share with your community people. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video.